Most people who say they want to start a business never actually do. And the few who try, they usually end up wasting years chasing an idea that was doomed from the very beginning. Why? Because they either follow trends blindly, copy someone else's success, or jump into industries they don't really understand. But if you're watching this video, you're smarter than that. You do not want just any business idea. You want one that makes sense for you, something that can survive in the real world and actually make some money. So grab a pen and paper, my friend, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to find your perfect business idea, how to stand out from your competitors, and how to validate your business idea so it doesn't fail 6 months later. Hi, this is Ronak Roy, your $1 million business coach, and today let's see how to find the best business idea. So, step 1, stop chasing what's hot and start chasing what fits. And here is a truth bomb. Most people don't choose their business idea, they react to one. They see AI trending and think, I will start an AI startup. They see someone making lakhs selling homemade candles and think, I will do that too. And 1 year later, they're burnout, broke, and blaming the economy. Because here's the thing, an idea that made someone else rich might completely fail for you. Why? Because you are not them. You don't have their skill sets, their experiences, and their interests. The business that works for you must be built around you. And that's where one of the most powerful concepts in the world comes in, something the Japanese call Ikigai method. It literally means reason for being. And when you apply this method to your business, it becomes a cheat code for success. Step number 2, the Ikigai method, finding the business that's meant for you. Imagine 4 overlapping circles, each one answers one single question. Number 1, what are you good at? Number 2, what do you love doing? Number 3, what can you get paid for? And number 4, what does the world need? Where all these circles overlap, that's your perfect business idea. So let's break it down. Circle number 1, what are you good at? Your strengths are your starting point. If you're good at coding, maybe your business is in software, web design, or automation. If you are good at talking to people, maybe it's sales, marketing, or consulting. And if you are great with visuals, maybe it's branding, design, or video content. Business is a long game, and it's much easier to win when you're playing on your home ground. So ask yourself, what do people often come to me for help with? What do I find easy that others struggle with? Because if you already have a natural edge, building on that can save you years of struggle. Circle number 2, what do you love doing? Now, let's be real. Business is not easy. There will be late nights, failed launches, clients ghosting you, and moments you will want to quit. And if you do not love what you're doing, you won't even survive that. But if you genuinely enjoy it, you will push through. You will stay creative, motivated, and obsessed enough to figure it out. Think about Elon Musk. He doesn't build rockets and electric cars just for money. He loves engineering impossible ideas. So ask yourself, what topics can I talk about for hours without getting bored? What kind of work makes time disappear for me? Because if you build a business around that, you will never have to force motivation again. Circle number 3, what can you get paid for? Now, let's get practical. You can be good at something and love it, but if no one is willing to pay for it, it's not a business, it's a hobby. But don't worry, almost anything can make money if you position it correctly. People laughed at the idea of bottled water. People laughed at Airbnb. And yet, here we are. The trick is to connect your skills and passions to a real market demand. So now ask yourself, who needs what I can do? What problems are people already paying to solve? Now, if you can answer these questions, congratulations, you have found something profitable. Circle number 4. What does the world need? This one is optional but powerful. If your business solves a real world problem, it automatically gains deeper purpose and long term value. Think of startups solving problems like waste management, healthcare, or education. They make money and impact. So, if your idea helps people live better, save time, or feel happier, you have already made the world your customer. Step number 3, the blue ocean strategy. Stop competing and start creating. Now that you know what kind of business fits you, here is a new challenge: competition. Because no matter what you do, someone out there is already doing it. But here's the secret: most entrepreneurs never learn. They don't have to compete, they can create. Most people build businesses in what's called a red ocean, full of sharks fighting over the same customers, undercutting prices, copying ideas, and bleeding themselves dry. But the smartest entrepreneurs swim in the blue ocean, a wide open market space with no direct competition. How? By doing things differently. Take Cirque du Soleil. When the circus industry was dying, they did not try to be a better circus. They removed animal acts, reduced clown gimmicks, and increased storytelling and performance. The result? A whole new kind of entertainment that adults paid premium prices to see. And that is the power of creating your own market. So, when designing your idea, ask yourself, what do other businesses in my space take for granted? What could I eliminate, simplify, or amplify? What could I create that no one else is offering? And that's how you stand out and stay untouchable. Step number 4, the lean canvas, turning ideas into reality. Okay, so you have got your idea, you have found your fit, you have defined your edge. Now comes the real test. Does it actually work in the real world? Instead of wasting months writing a 50-page business plan, just use the lean canvas method. It's like a one-page business plan for smart founders. You only need to answer 9 simple questions. Number 1, what problem are you solving? If you're not solving a real pain point, it won't sell. Uber worked because waiting endlessly for taxis was painful. Number 2, who are you solving it for? Now, don't say everyone. Facebook started with just Harvard students. Focus creates traction. Number 3, what's your unique value proposition? Why should people choose you? Apple doesn't sell phones, they sell a beautiful product that just work. Next question, what's your solution? Explain your product in one simple sentence. For example, Dropbox. They did not say cloud based file storage, they said a folder that syncs everywhere. Next question you might ask, what are your channels? How will you reach to your ideal customers? Gymshark used Instagram influencers. Now, where are your people hanging out? Next question you might ask, what are your revenue streams? How will money actually flow in? Products, subscriptions, services, or advertising? Next question, what's your cost structure? Don't fool yourself. Expenses kill more startups than failure does. And your next question will be, what are your key metrics? For YouTubers, it's watch time. For SaaS, it's retention. For e-commerce, it's conversion. Track what truly matters. Next question, what's your unfair advantage? What makes your business hard to copy? That's your blue ocean again, your moat. Once you fill out all these 9 boxes, you're already miles ahead of most wannabe entrepreneurs. And now, step number 5, time to take action. Now, here's the truth: you do not need another book, another video, or another motivational quote. You need clarity and action. So, here is your challenge. Tonight, sit down with a notebook, draw your Ikigai circles, fill out your lean canvas, and within the next 48 hours, pick one idea to test. Because clarity does not come from thinking, it comes from doing it. Now, my final words: finding your perfect business idea is not about luck, it's about alignment. When your skills, passions, and market demand meet, wealth follows naturally. So start where you are, use what you have, and build something that feels right for you. Because when your business aligns with who you are, success is not just possible, it's inevitable. If this video gave you clarity, don't just scroll away. Hit the subscribe button, share this with someone who is still waiting for the perfect business idea, and start building yours also today. Because the best time to start a business was yesterday, and the next best time to start a business is right now.